Good night, Miss. I am Diego Villota. Today I am going to talk about traditional party from Ecuador, la Mama Negra. Now as Santísima Tragedia is a traditional festival typical of the city of La Tacunga. A symbol of indigenous Spanish and African cultures in which it's an invitation by homage to the Virgin of Las Mercedes as a demonstration of apparition for the favors granted. The central figure of the party is precisely La Mama Negra. Otherwise, for also be a man who this is face back, and this is from his lips and intense creamy red, from his raised arms and long and curly hair, adorned with colored ribbons and artificial pearls from the pinna of the air light gold, and his neck the hands beautiful and fine chokers. She also mentions that her husband a thin skid blown with light and screen color, a long skirt or pocket of castile cloth with striking embroidery extends from her it and on her, but an entroved scar, which chants is the chair corner. Turtle goat is Pilpimax is. His hands are covered with gloves and hair. His daughter, Manuelita Baltasara, and a blowtorch full of lighting center meal that the spirit of the public who admires him as we passes. In the same way, the Black Mama restroked the city on a order that is also adorned. It is pulled and led by the black grooms who carry two children paint their face black inside bags called saddle bags. With his entourage of black hair, he is the last charger to pay honor to the Virgin de las Mercedes and to receive the blessing of the Capatancy. She enters dancing of the horse, raising her arms and hands to the sky. Thank you.